Acts chapter 5. One man wey dem dey call Ananias with him wife Sapphira come sell their land. Dem come gree say dem go keep some of the money for themselves. So Ananias take the remaining money go give the apostles. But Peter tell am,
Ananias, why you allow Satan enter your heart and you can't dey lie give the Holy Spirit? Why you keep some of the money wey una sell the land for una sef? Before una sell the land, no be una own property. Now when una sell am finish, the money no still be una own to spend as una like? Wetin make una get this kind mind? This lie wey you talk so, no be person you do am to, but na God.
when Ananias hear the word wey Peter talk, he fall for ground at once come die. This thing make fear catch everybody wey hear wetin happen. So the young men wey dey there take wrapper cover him body come carry am go bury. When 3 hours don pass, him wife Sapphira waka come, but he no know wetin don happen to him husband. Then Peter ask am,
Madam, tell me the truth. Na this be the price wey una sell the land?
Sapphira answer,
Yes, na him.
so Peter tell am,
Wetin make you and your husband decide to try God's spirit like this? Look, na the people wey go bury your husband dey come so, and dem go carry you go bury too.
at once the woman fall for ground come die for Peter front. So when the young men enter inside the house come see say the woman don die, dem carry am go bury near where dem bury him husband put. Fear catch people for the church and others wey hear wetin happen. Na this kind miracle and wonder God do through the apostles for the people front, and dem come dey meet for Solomon porch. Fear not let anybody wey no dey among dem go join dem anyhow, and e come make all the people dey respect dem well well. But plenty men and women wey believe Jesus Christ come join dem. So tey dem even dey carry sick people put for bed and mat for road, so that as Peter dey pass, him shadow go heal dem. Dem bring sick people and those wey get evil spirits from all the towns and villages wey near Jerusalem, and God heal all of them. But jealousy come full the high priest and the Sadducee people mind. So they come arrest the apostles put for prison. But for that night, God angel open the prison door, come bring them come out and tell them,
Make una go stand for the temple veranda, begin preach God word wey dey give people life.
after them hear this, dem enter the temple veranda for morning come start to dey teach the people. Then the priest oga dem and the people wey dey follow am come call the Sanhedrin, wey be the big council for Israel people. Dem come send people go the prison make dem go bring the apostles come, because dem wan judge their case. But the servant wey dem send go not see dem for the prison, so dem go back go report say,
We see say dem lock the prison well, and all the soldiers stand for the front. But when we open the gate, we look inside, but we no see anybody.
so when the soldier oga wey dey the temple and the priest oga dem hear this thing, dem come surprise well well, come dey wonder wetin happen to the apostles. Na that time one person come tell dem say,
See o, the men wey una put for prison dey for the temple veranda dey teach people.
so the soldier oga wey dey the temple come escort the servant go bring the apostles, but dem no use force, because dem dey fear say the people wey gather there fit stone dem. When dem don bring dem inside, dem come say make dem stand for the council front, and the priest oga dem come dey question dem. He ask dem,
We command una say make una not teach people about this name. But see now, the whole Jerusalem no full with the things wey una dey teach. Una wan put this man blood for our head?
but Peter and the apostles answer,
We go must obey God instead of human being. The God wey our grandpapa themselves na him raise up Jesus Christ wey una hang for tree. But God don promote am say make he sit down for him right hand, come give am big position as oga and the person wey go save the world, so that Israel children go turn from their sin come meet God make he forgive them. All of us know say this thing na true, and the Holy Spirit wey God don give to people wey dey obey am, dey still bear witness say this thing na true.
when the priest oga dem hear this thing, dem come vex well well and wan kill the apostles. Then one Pharisee wey dem dey call Gamaliel wey dey teach the law and wey the people dey respect well well come stand up talk.
Make una send dis men go outside first.
Then he come talk to the council.
Una Israel oga, make una think well before una do anything to dis men, because na so Judas still come up before. Dey talk say he na person wey dey important and na about 400 people follow am. When they kill am, all the people wey dey follow am scatter and everything come end. After am, Judas wey come from Galilee come out when they dey do census. He push people to join am oppose wetin they dey do. Dem still kill am and all the people wey dey follow am scatter too. Na im make I say for this matter so, make una remove una hand and leave all these men alone, because if all the things wey dem dey plan and do na from their mind, dem no go succeed. But if na from God, una no go fit stop dem, except una wan fight God.
So dem bring the apostles come back come tell their servants make dem flog them. After dem release them, dem come warn them say make dem no use Jesus Christ name take preach again. So the apostles comot from there dey happy well well say God don give dem chance to suffer because of Jesus Christ. So every day for the temple compound and from house to house, dem continue to dey teach and preach the good news say,
Jesus Christ na him be the Messiah,